Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to look up rows in a Google Sheet based on different column values. We're going to cover two scenarios, one looking up a single row and the second one looking up multiple rows from this sheet. Now let's jump back into the designer and get it started. Okay, first I'm going to show you how you can look up a single row. So drag and drop a lookup row function. Computer connection. I'm going to select the same file which I was just showing you, list of countries, and I'm going to select the sheet name countries. Um, in our case, I say a sheet has got headers. That makes it a little easier for me, as you can see, to select the column I want to filter on. That's this column, and my filter is AU. And down here, I can specify which columns of the found row I would like to return. I'm just only interested in a few columns. I leave this one in. Also, I'm going to rename it. It's a good practice. To demo it, let's print out the result into our log to history. I'm going to type it out. So the country name is I selected from our picker, and the country code and the capital is again selecting from the result. Let's publish and run this flow. Click on a start. Let's navigate to the history, and it's started. We refresh, and as you can see, the country name is Australia and its capital is Canberra. So it got pretty easily got looked up from the sheet. Now, that was a scenario with looking at one row. Let me show you how we can look up multiple rows. And our scenario is that we want to basically go and say, give me all the countries which speak English one way or another. They've got basically EN in their list of languages to speak. Like the previous action, I'm going to select the connection. It's pretty similar in configuration. This time I'm going to say language and put EN there. So you can see there's more options to configure, like matching case or matching the entire cell. Like the previous action, I'm only interested into returning just a few columns in the result. One difference between this and the previous one is that the previous one returns single result. This one is going to return potentially multiple results. Now let's configure. So we have to loop through the result and configure it. I'm going to print out the country code is. It's not showing now. I think I've made a mistake. Yes, I've selected count by mistake. Now let me go and select the rows. So because I want to loop through the rows. And country code is that, and country name is I print out the name. So basically, I'm gonna get multiple result. Publish and go in and queue in another instance. Let's look at the result. Let's refresh, and it should start showing up. So first one has showed up. UAE is the first one, and if I show you the let me find the language column. Yeah, there it is. You know, UAE has got EN as part of the result. And these are all the countries from that sheet for which you've got EN in the list of languages. Hopefully I've managed to show you how easy it is to look up rows from your Google Sheets using Zenphi. Please don't forget to share your comments, feedbacks, and suggestions using our user voice website. Thank you very much and keep automating.